Eames style dining table rectangle set up. In this video, we will show you how easy it is to assemble this style of tables. First step, we will need the table legs, black base, 4 screws, 4 washers, Allen keys. As we can see, in the legs of the table we can see a hole. There we will have to put the black base and make it coincide with the hole, as we can see in the picture. Once placed, we will see that the 2 holes coincide, so we will have to screw each of the legs. Once placed, we will see that the 2 holes match, so we will have to screw, and sew each of the 4 legs of the table. Second step, we will need the tabletop, 16 small screws, leg support. At the bottom of the tabletop, we can see that there are 4 holes in each corner of the table. There we will have to screw the 4 legs that we have prepared before. We have to be very careful when placing each table leg. As we can see, each leg has an arrow in one corner. That corner has to coincide with the corner of the tabletop, that is, pointing outwards. This is how each of the legs should be positioned on the table. After placing the legs properly, we start screwing each of the legs to the wooden board. And this should be the result. Once the legs are placed, we see that at the bottom of these legs, there is a hole. There we will have to put the support of the legs of the chair as we see in the picture. Final result.